Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulillah sallallahu alayhi wasallam. Welcome to the continuation of lesson number 5. This is part 2. We stopped at number 4. Now we're going to be doing number 5 here in the Tamareen for lesson 5. And here we have fill in the blanks with the words, with suitable words. So here number 1, for example, you will look at this and you can use words from the lesson or whatever words. Al-Bayt Muglaq. Alright, so remember we are using the possessive construction, Mudaf construction, Idafa. Alright, and that's what we're showing possession. For example, you could say, well, in this case, we're talking the door. Babul Bayti Muglaq. Babul Bayti Muglaq. In this case, you will write Bab here, and you will make sure that you have the Dhamma for the Mudaf, and because the Mudaf ilayh being definite has the Kasra. Babul Bayti Muglaq. Alright, the door of the house is closed. Here we have Sifa is closed, describing the door. So you will complete number 2 through 10. Number 2, Aina Sayyarati. Aina Sayyarati. Well, where is the car key? Where is the car key? Rakam Thalitha. Muhammadun sallallahu alayhi wasallam Rasulullah. Here you have Muhammadun, and then this is peace and blessings be upon him, is Rasulu. This should be a Dhamma here, and this should have Allahi, and Allahi should be written with Kasra. Here we have Baytu Tabibi Ba'idun. Baytu Tabibi Ba'idun. The doctor's house is far away. The doctor's house is far away. Number 5, Al-Quran. Al-Quranu Kitabullahi. The Quran is the book of Allah. Number 6, Khadijatu bintu Hamidin. Khadijatu bintu Hamidin. Alright. Number 7. Sab'a. Ana Mudarisi. Boom. You can say Ana ibnu Mudarisi. Ana bintu Mudarisi. You can say either one, or I am the son of I am the teacher's son, or I am the teacher's daughter. You can do that. You could use other words, but these are basically from the lesson. And number 8, Thamaniya, we have Qalamu Talibi Maqsurun. Qalamu Talibi Maqsurun. Alright. You could also substitute other words in here, but Qalamu and the pen, the student's pen is broken. Number 9, Babu, this is a Dhamma here, Babul Madrasati Maftuhun. Babul Madrasati Maftuhun. You could Babul Madrasati, Babul Bayti. You could use other words here, but the school door is open, or the house door is open. And number 10, we have خرج المدرس من غرفة المدير. خرج المدرس من غرفة المدير. من غرفة مدير. We have to make sure we put here. We have a harf jar, so that's going to change. This will not have fatha, and this will not have dhamma. It will have kisra. Correct the following. Basically the arrangement, the following here. Here, and it's definite because it's definite. Now, what about here? The mudaf should, we need to fix this. So in this case, remember, we will take off the mudaf, take off alif lam, and then we'll put a dhamma. Qalamu talibi, the student's pen. And we'll do the same thing here. Babul Siyaratu. There's a problem here. What's the problem? We see this is Babul is a mudaf. The mudaf is okay. Here we have alif lam for mudaf ilay. We have a problem here. The mudaf ilay should be in the genitive case, or it should have kasra here. Alright, so what you will do is you will complete the rest of those exercises and the answers. If you can pause before I give you the rest of the answers. Alright, for example, here we have now the correct answers you should have written. And let me go back here, fix this. You should have written here Bintu Hamidin, Bintu Hamidin. Here we take the alif lam off here. Rasulullahi, Rasulullahi. Alright, and the next we should have Ismul. Here it should be Ismul Waladi. So this should not have fatha, it should be Ismul Waladi. Alright, and the last one on this particular exercise, Ibnu, there should be Dhamma. Ibnul Mudarisi, Ibnul Mudarisi. We're going to complete the next exercise on this pattern. Look at here, Muhammad, Ya Muhammadu, Ustadun, Ustadun, Ya Ustadu, Khalidun, Ya Khalidu, Waladun, Ya Waladu. Alright, so now let's look, read and write. Now do the same thing here. Correct these here. Alright, so what you would do is put the ending here. For example, Ya Aliyun, Ya Aliyu. This would be Dhamma. So you will put a Dhamma here. Alright, and I can do this one for you, and you'll do the same thing. You will do the same thing, and I'm going to try to make the Dhamma. Okay. Dhamma. Ya Aliyu. Alright. Ya Abbasu. Ya Abbasu. Now, look at here. What's here? We have Shaykhun. Shaykhun. So this will be a double Dhamma. And I don't know if I'm going to be able to do that one. I can't do a double Dhamma with that. But anyway, you'll put a double Dhamma here. Alright? Because there is nothing. There is no Ya is not in front of this. So it will be Shaykhun. Here, Shaykhun becomes, when you put Ya in front of it, Shaykhu. Ya Shaykhu. Alright, and you'll do the same thing for here. Ya Rajulu. Ya Rajulu. Yasirun. Yasirun. Ya Ammaru. Ya Ammaru. Doktorun. Doktorun. This is a no Dhamma. This is double Dhamma here, or Tanween, Dhammatain. Then we have Ya Doktoru. Ya Doktoru. Alright, number 8, or exercise 8. Make questions on the pattern of the example with the help of the pictures, basically. Right, read the examples and then make patterns based on the pictures. Complete the sentences here. Make questions, alright? And remember the question pattern here. Kitabu man hada. So this would be what? Qalamu man hada. قلم من هذا. So what would this be here? Shirt, قميص, قميص من هذا, قميص من هذا. Alright, then this would be بيت من هذا, بيت من هذا. And then the bed, سرير من هذا, سرير من هذا. So here we're showing the here the questions. Make questions on the pattern example with the help of the pictures. Alright, next. Now I know we might be going this a little fast, but we're gonna look at the Hamzatul Wasli with these. Right, for example, at the beginning it's pronounced. Hamzatul Wasli at the beginning it's announced or pronounced. So here we have ismu, but look here, this is Hamzatul Wasli here, and basically we will not pronounce this alif here, so we will say ismul here waladi, ismul waladi Muhammadun. So we have mudaf ilayhi, so this will be ismul waladi Muhammadun. Notice that we didn't pronounce this Hamzatul Wasli here. Then we have Muhammadun. I'm sorry, that's the basically Muhammad. Here wa. Remember, this is harf at. This is combining a sentence here, and because now remember, if a word comes before the Hamzatul Wasli, it will not be pronounced. So wasmul binti Zainabu here. Wasmul binti Zainabu, and the daughter's name is Zainab. So the boy's name is Muhammad and the girl's name is Zainab. So, but notice that we didn't pronounce this here. Here we go. Ismul mudaris, ismul mudarisi Hamidun, masmul mudiri, right? So here we have, notice that this Hamzatul Wasli, because a word came before, it's not pronounced, and so you will masmul mudiri. All right, so here we asking what is the name of the mudir, of the principal. What's the name of the principal? Here the name the name of the teacher is Hamid. So what's the name of the principal, or what's the name of the headmaster? It's another translation. Here we have Ibnu. It says also, this one begins with Hamzatul Wasli. So notice that Hamza, it will at the beginning is pronounced. Here we have Ibnu Khalidun, fil madrasati, wabnu Hamidin, here we go, wabnu Hamidin fil jamiati. So we have Ibnu Khalid, the son of Khalid, or Khalid's son. And remember, Ibnu Khalid, this Hamzatul Wasl is pronounced, is in school. And Khalid here, Khalidin, because this is the mudaf ilay. Wabnu, this waw comes before the Hamza, the Wasl, so we will not pronounce it. Wabnu Hamidin fil jamiati. Alright, so Hamidin, this is the mudaf ilay, and it's not definite. It doesn't have alif lam here. Fil jamiati, and this, remember how jar makes this kasra. Alright, then we have another example. Ibnu Mudarisi fil fasli. The teacher's son is in the classroom. Aina ibnu mudiri. So here we have no pronunciation of Hamzatul Wasl. that was the objective of that. Sorry to take so long. And here is the practice. We will read these. Read the following. Ikra ma yali. We're going to read the following. Mura'iya qawaida nutqi hamzatil wasli. So we're going to read the following, keeping in mind the rules regarding hamzatul wasli. So here we will read Ibnu Muhammadin. Ibnu Muhammadin fil Iraqi wabnu Hamidin fil Hindi. Alright, so we have the son of Muhammad is in Iraq and the son of Hamid is in India. Number 2, خرج ابن طبيبي من البيت. The doctor left from the house. In keeping in mind the خرج ابن. Here, no, we don't pronounce the hamzatul wasli. Number 3, ذهب ابن تاجري إلى السوق. The businessman's or the merchant's son went to the market. The merchant's son went to the market. Ismu muhandisi Faisalun. Wasmu tabibi Mas'udun. So here the name of the engineer is Faisal, and the doctor's name is Mas'ud. So we're gonna have next Mesmu Rajuli. Alright, and what is the name of this of the man? What is the man's name? What is the man's name? Mesmu. We're not pronouncing this hamzatul wasli. And number 6, Ibnu man anta ana ibnul waziri. So we have Ibnu man anta ana ibnul waziri. Whose son are you? Whose son are you? And he said, and here we have, I am the minister's son. Wazir is like the minister of education or something like that. So that's going to conclude this lesson, and we're going to have the new words here that we learned for the lesson here that we need to review, inshallah. The new words. Just make sure that you have a general understanding of these words, and I believe, not sure if we covered it at the beginning of this session, but they're important vocabulary words that you should understand. Here we have Ar-Rasulu, the messenger, Ar-Rasul, Ar-Rasul. So we have the messenger, Al-Kaaba, Al-Ismu. This could be the name or the noun. Al-Ibnu, the son. Al-Ammu, this is the uncle. Al-Khalu, and Ammu is from the uncle from the father's side. In Arabic, they distinguish Am, this is from the father's side of the family, and this is an uncle. Al-Khalu, al-uncle from the mother's side of the family. And to make this aunt, all you do is add a ta marbuta. So if I want to say al-ammu for uncle, al-ammu. If I want to make aunt, I will say al-amma. Al-amma. Al-khalu is uncle from my mother's side. Al-khala is aunt from my mother's side. And here we have al-haqibatu. Al-haqiba. This is a bag. It could be a case, a briefcase, or a bag. A sayyara, car, the car. A shari'u, the street. Muglaqun, this is closed. Tahta This is under. Hunaka means there, and al-muhandisu is the engineer. And then we have the last, this would be the last page or the last part of the lesson, and it's showing you the mudaf, how the mudaf sayaratul mudarisi. Here it's showing you that the first part is the mudafun and the second mudaf ilay, and the rules that apply with that. This is a summary summarized in this table. Alright, and that concludes our lesson for the day. Inshallah, if you have any questions, you can reach me at the email Wali-Uddin@yahoo.com. This has been a presentation of the Islamic Studies for All.com. And until next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.